I didn't realize I was coming to a place way too interesting to do a review video. Yesterday I tried to do this review slash vlog with the new Dji Action 2, but it didn't go so well. I will get to that, by the way. Not like a Peter McKinnon style, but like a video for the yous and eyes of the world who just want to get it done, who just want to put it on auto and let the inbuilt microphone do all the work. So we are going to get to that, but this is how yesterday went. Bear in mind it was after 2 weeks of quarantine and things didn't go as planned. It is good to be outside, right?
So good.
We've been in quarantine for 10 days now because we've had COVID. So sorry that we didn't tell you, Mum and Dad, we just didn't want you to panic. While we were in quarantine, I got a little gift for myself, the DJI Osmo Action 2. So I'm going to give it a try as a vlogging camera today, straight out of the box with all the settings on auto. Default auto, and also just the microphone, the inbuilt microphone. So we'll see how well it goes, especially with our masks on. And then you'll get my verdict at the end of the day. So here we go. First day out in Sofia in 10 days. Woo! It's a nice day too. Hey, it's you.
Yeah, no. Yes. Hello.
You is probably who gave us COVID. We've stumbled across a bunch of street art, you know that Becky loves street art. So we're trying to get some photos of that. But also I want to know how this camera goes when it's on your chest. So how's the microphone going? Can you hear me while it's strapped to the old chesticle? I think it's time for a coffee. We were still feeling pretty sick at the end of the day, just like coughing, and it was icy cold. So we're going to try again today, and I'm going to put it through its paces, but all on auto. I'll do hyperlapse, I'll do slow motion, and I'll just do 4K shooting. Right now it's sitting in the snow, slowly melting in. So if you like this video, let me know. Let's get it done. Whoa, awesome. Now we get a chance to see how it goes in low light. This was a spa that was just taken by a Bulgarian I don't know, dictator in the 80s. He wanted it for himself, and then when, you know what, I'll just research it before I say anything else actually. So how do you reckon the camera's doing? I think from the screen, from the LCD screen, it's looking quite good in low light. This is 4K 30p. These are amazing. You know I'm going up those stairs. I actually forgot the lanyard today, so it's just all handheld like a goose. Man, this place is huge. Nice retro desks. While I explore this building here, I'll explain why I got the power pack instead of the LCD screen, which, you know, they say that the made for vloggers. I don't really feel like you need a screen to tell you where the camera's looking. I think you have a big lens pointed at your face. I think that's enough. I don't really need to be finicky about that. Battery time is a lot more important to me. Oh, drum must remain on the stage. That's a boring world. Oh, nice door. Alright, I'm going to cut here because I want to take some photos. I didn't realize I was coming to a place way too interesting to do a review video. I should have done a video dedicated on this place and the history. I've always wanted to come to an abandoned pool like this. So cool. Disgusting. I'm sorry, but I haven't been filming much. I got properly lost down in the basement. But it's just too interesting. It's super cool. I'm gonna go down there and crack that ice if it's ice. Yeah. I think you could nearly ice skate on that. I'm sure the other guys are waiting for me now. Heading deeper and deeper into the basement. Oh. I don't think I need to go under there. Power board. What you thinking? I'm quite happy with the old camera at the moment. Someone has written inspirational thoughts. It's interesting. Don't get much graffiti art with inspirational thoughts of the day. It's more cafe stuff. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is super slippery. Alright, let's wrap this up with a verdict. So first of all, the sound quality is awesome. That's with the inbuilt microphone. DJI has released a external microphone that's apparently just blows the rest out of the water, but I don't feel like it's really necessary. In low light, it's awesome. It's better than my iPhone 11 Max, and it's also better than the GoPro Hero 9. And I'm sure that you can mess around with the settings and make it even better in low light, like the shutter speeds and all of that. There are some downsides though. I found it really difficult to change what kind of shooting you wanted to do in the app itself, not in the app, in the camera itself. And the Bluetooth connection, sometimes it doesn't connect, often it doesn't connect, so that's the downside. But for a vlogging camera, heck yeah. So that's my verdict, and maybe I'll give you another one in 6 months or so using the DJI Action 2.